Businesses today is nothing short of a battle, and any battle-hardened veteran will tell you the courage is what it takes. Yes, I'm talking about the most pronounced Indian billionaire, industrialist, philanthropist and chairman of Aditya Birla Group, Kumar Mangalam Birla. He inherited excellent skills and abilities that transformed him into a well-established as well as a well-known entrepreneur. Also, he has received some of the prestigious awards including the Global Entrepreneurship Award for devising unique ideas and strategies for the group. Here are the 3 key takeaways from the tycoon, one of the inspiring speeches for the youth. Number 1 is experimenting in 20s. He encourages you to start early and experiment in their life by being impulsive, but also advises to temper that impulsiveness with creativity and positivity. Second is build your personal flywheel. He advises always to make choices that accelerate your own learning curve and improves understanding of the world. If you are ever wrestling with your career choices, the defining factor should be units of learning which will guide your career choices in the perfect direction. Number 3, my favorite, adding emotions to the intelligent quotient IQ. He urges youngsters to add other dimension to the thinking, most importantly of the empathy and humanity. He doesn't see IQ and EQ binary qualities, but rather he feels that they complement each other to build a successful career. In every talk of Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla, he always tried to drive a point that entrepreneurship is not just about building the business, it's about building the mindset first. Are you just focusing on your startup or your business, or are you changing from here? Question yourself.